Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to delete tasks on ClickUp. Maybe you want to focus on the most important and current tasks by removing tasks that are no longer relevant or necessary. So today I'm going to show you how to delete tasks on ClickUp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the ClickUp application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, you will see all of your tasks. Now, find the task that you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this task, so simply tap on it. Once you have opened the task, tap on this three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. A menu will pop up below with various options. Here, you can now see this delete option. Since you wanted to delete this task, simply tap on this option. After that, you now have successfully deleted a task on ClickUp. The task will now be removed from this list of tasks in your home page. There you go. If you wanted to know how to delete tasks on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to delete tasks on ClickUp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.